Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to generate a invoice billing data inside your PDF document with your company name and a table of products of your company, whatever products your company is selling. So some simply like a invoice data document inside PDF document. So inside this Python script, so I've written this Python script here, which will actually generate this colorful PDF document, which will contain the data inside the tabular structure. Let me just execute this Python script, and as soon as I execute this, go to the terminal and just type here python app.py. So you will see on the left hand side it will create a file which is receipt.pdf. You will see the file has been created, and if I try to open this file, you will see it will look something like this. This will be the output. First of all, your company name, whatever is your company name, then we have this tabular structure, a table, invoice table holding data of whatever products that you have purchased. We also have the date here alongside with the product, at which date you have purchased it, and what is the price of it, what is the subscription, how much time that you have purchased it. This is a price here. So it also calculates the total number of price in the invoice document right here. You will see that. So we have generated this PDF document using ReportLab library inside Python, which is an open source library for generating PDF documents. So you can everything you can customize it inside this PDF document. I will show you the script. So now to get started here, first of all you need to require this package. You need to require this or install this package, which is ReportLab. So the command is very simple: pip install ReportLab. This is the command. I've already installed it. So after installing it, I have given all this source code is in the description of this video. So the source code is given. So now I will show you all this source code step by step. So first of all, you need to require all the packages that you will need for this application. So for requiring it, you simply write here from ReportLab, and then like this we need to import this simple doc template, and we also need to require the table as well, because we will be embedding tables as well, and we also need to require paragraph. So these are all the elements that we will be inserting inside the PDF document, and also table style. And then we also need to say from ReportLab dot lib, we need to import the colors, the different kinds of colors. So this will be a colorful table, so for we need to import colors. And similarly from ReportLab dot lib dot page sizes, we need to import the A4 size. So there are different sizes available inside the PDF document, so we need to import the correct size, which is A4 size. After that, we again need to say from ReportLab dot lib dot styles, we need to import get sample style sheet. So now all the packages have been imported. Now we just need to make sure we provide the correct data for our invoice. So this data can be anything. So I'm just copy pasting the data here. So once you get the script, you can modify this data. So this is actually having this three columns right here: date, name, subscription, price, and then we have a series of products right here like this: subtotal, discount, total. So this is very similar invoice document. How many products have you purchased, what is the price of it, what is the discount, what is the total price, everything. So after providing this, we will now be generating the PDF document. For generating the PDF document, we simply initialize this simple doc template. We initialize this, and inside this, it actually takes the first argument as the name of the file. So we will simply provide this as result.pdf, the name of the PDF file, and then the second argument will be the page size. So whatever is the page size that you want to configure. So in my case, I will be configuring A4 size. So simply, so now after generating the PDF, we just need to also style it. For styling it, we will use this get sample style sheet method that we imported early on. We also need to set the title as well of the, for setting the title, we use this heading one, and then we can set the alignment of the heading, which will be in the center position. So we're setting this alignment value to 1. Some more properties are also there, which is font size, font name. You can even change these properties as well by changing this. And then we can add this simple paragraph. So you will see we are setting this as freemediatools, which is your company name. So this will be your title. And then we add the table by using this table style, and here you specify your tabular structure. So this will contain the CSS styles as well. So here we are providing different CSS properties here, such as the what will be the background color, what will be the text color, what will be the alignment of the table, background, everything. So each and every CSS property that we are providing right here in this way. After that, we simply create this table by using the table constructor, and we simply pass two arguments here. First of all, the data that we declared early on, and then the styles, and then we actually build the entire PDF document by using the build method. And here we takes two arguments, first of all the title and then the table. That's all. So this completes the application. It's very simple. So let me now delete this and rerun the script. Once again, run the script here. You will see on the left hand side a result.pdf has been successfully generated. If I open this again, you will see it will look something like this. First of all, your company name right here. Then we have 3 columns, and we have these products. We have subtotal, discount, total. We also have the price as well. So depending upon your currency, you can change this currency as well, like this. So in this way you can generate an invoice data document in PDF format using Python and ReportLab library. So if you need the full script, the link is given in the description of the video. So right in the CSS properties, you can manipulate everything. If let's suppose if you want to change this background color to something else, let's suppose I want to change it to yellow. So once again, if I change this, make this modification, and if I refresh now, you will see the color will be changed. The background color of the table has been successfully changed. So with this single change, you can see you can actually change the entire result of your application. So the link is given in the description. You can get the full script. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.